Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. And today I want to talk about my lighting. And I've been using these soft boxes for quite a while, and they've certainly been a good stepping stone for me, in addition to my ring light, for my videos. I just recently got the Canon M50, which I'm recording this video with, but prior to that, I was using my phone. I just really wasn't happy with the lighting, and I'm still not. I want it to be brighter behind me and overall just brighten the whole picture. But, you know, it's okay. And people that are new with YouTube, it's, you know, starting with, you know, videoing your with your phone, and then improving your lighting, and then improving your voice and all that. It just takes some time, and for me, you know, it's worked pretty well, but I really want to take it to the next level. So I started looking at LED lights. I thought I had some all figured out that I was going to get. And just as I thought I had something figured out, I found this gem, it seems, that a lot of people like, and that is the Neewer LED NL960. I will put a link where you can get more information, read reviews, and of course order it. So I didn't get one. I got two of the lights. They should work with my stands from my soft boxes. So we'll see. I might need to get something to hold the weight down, but I'm going to go ahead. We'll do initial boxing. I'll set it up, and then you'll be able to see the difference between my picture quality now with the lighting and without it. So let me go ahead and open this up. I'll share with you some specs. Actually, before we dive in, let me just share with you some specs. So it's got 900. Actually, you know what? I'm going to open up the box. Let me just go ahead and open the box. And while I got it open, we can then talk about it. So again, this is the LED 960. And then on the back, it's got some information. Now, one of the things that I liked about this versus some of the others is it doesn't have a fan. And I hear it sometimes with some of these other LED lights. It has a fan. It can get a little noisy, so no issue there. And it also comes with a power cord. It doesn't come with batteries, but it comes with a power cord. So here we go. We got the manual, the information there, and it's got the adapter, instruction manual. So anyway, it's all in here. It's a small book. There's a little bit of color in there as well. And here is the light. All right. So check it out. It's got a little plastic. I just got to remove. Oh, okay. It's got a diffuser that you could take out. It just slides right in, which is nice. So you got that there. Let me just put that back in. So you could use it with or without the diffuser. I'm going to try it both ways. And then this is the back, and it's got this arm that you could then adjust. So depending upon if you need to put on an angle, that's what I liked about it as well. And I believe that you have this section here for the battery, and then you've got the different knobs for the white light and the yellow light, and it's got the two different power options as well. Now let me just share with you. Next, let me take out the rest, and then I'll share with you some specs. So here is the power. I'm really excited to improve my lighting. I'm really excited I got my new Canon M50. Oh my goodness, I've got so much to learn how to use that camera, but I know it's going to really help my channel. I'm really excited to do some great videos, take it to the next level. It's a lot of fun when you can create these videos, enjoy what you're doing, and then having good equipment to go along with it. But again, if you're new at doing YouTube videos, you know, start small as I did, and for a long time I was using my phone. But anyway, so you got the power adapter there, and then it's got this, dear customer, thank you for your recent purchase. So it's a customer support. And then last but not least, which is very nice, it comes with this little carrying case. So you can take this on the go with you. Oh, very nice. Inside you got pockets where you can keep the power cable, and then I guess this is where you can hook the back, this piece probably to the back, up here from what it looks like. So in there. So let's talk about some of the specs for this. It's got 960 LED beads. Its power is 50 watts. The color temperature is 3200 to 5600 K. Lumen is 6720. And again, it has the AC power. You could buy the additional Sony batteries. And when you click on the link and also see some of the other reviews, you can ask questions. It will have information on the batteries, but I'll see if I can put that link as well. And the product size is 16.22 by 7.87 by 0.79 inches. So there you go. I'm going to go ahead and get it set up. And once I get it set up, we'll continue on in the video so you'll be able to see the before and after. And I'm looking forward to, again, taking my videos to the next level by vastly improving my lighting. Okay, so I've got these LED lights on. Let me know what you think. It is certainly different. I feel like it's more spotlighted right on me. And currently I have just the white lights on without the diffusers. So I got the diffusers here. So what I want to do now is I'm going to turn on with the yellow light so you could see the combination with it, but this is just the white light. And I'll have to learn to adjust my camera, but for this video, hopefully this will help. I still have my ring lights on. And one of the things too that I'll be able to do is I'll be able to use the soft boxes maybe as background lighting. So I'll do that last. So let me go ahead and turn the yellow lights on. And here we go. So that is one yellow light. And I got two yellow lights. So that's full white and full yellow. Wow, that really brightens things up. I think that gives it wider exposure. It's not spotlighted as much, but I love the feedback that you have. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the diffusers on. Actually, what I want to do now is turn the white lights down and just show with the yellow lights so you can get an idea there as well. Let me do that now. And it looks like they changed the back. When I saw a review, it looked like they did some changes to the back. And so it doesn't look like I'm going to have to do any adjustment, which is nice. So this is the yellow lighting with just yellow lighting, no white at all. This will give you some perspective as well. It is brighter in my eyes, but I think I'm going to like this. So, but I'll love any feedback from experts out there that are using some lighting or, you know, thinking about lighting, you know, or just really just in general, just to see what people think of this lighting. And again, I like the idea there's no fan. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn up the white lights with it as well. And lastly, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the diffusers on now. Let's see how that looks. So that is one diffuser. And there we go, that's another diffuser. So this is with the diffusers a lot easier on my eyes. So there we go, this is with the yellow light and the white light with the diffuser. Now I want to turn the yellow lights down and just the white lights. So you get a real good perspective here. So that's yellow down. And let me turn the, oh, I gotta adjust that back. And this is just white light. So now I am just the white light. Now, what I'm gonna do is use my soft boxes just to see how that looks with the background. So in addition to these LED lights, and I like it because it's not, actually let me take a photo so you guys can see. And I'll put this here in the video, but there we go. That's my setup now. So that will give you an idea with the camera. Oh, that looks kind of cool. And now I'm going to put the soft boxes on. So let's see how that adds to it as well. So that's 1 and 2. So I think it's going to really, wow. Yeah, this is definitely brighten things up. You know, tremendously, I think, but I look forward to when I replay back this video to see how it looks. But let me know what you think. Again, check the link in the description where you can learn more about the lights. You can get your questions answered, and of course you can order them. And as I get to use them more and be more comfortable and adjust my camera with the lighting, then I look forward to doing that as well. But I think this is going to be a really nice addition to my future videos. All right, everybody, have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.